Welcome! This video will demonstrate auxiliary I/O retransmit scaling. Before we begin, you'll need to install the control panel software, which is provided free with your controller. Connect power to the controller and connect to your computer with a USB cable. First, connect to the controller using the USB interface. The auxiliary I/O card is an optional component on our Fusion and Compact Fusion controllers. The card is located on the controller here. If your controller has an auxiliary I/O card, the relevant options will be available to you on your control panel software. You will see a -1000 in the model number, and this tab, the aux/I/O tab, will be part of your control panel. The card has 2 digital inputs, 2 digital outputs, and 2 analog retransmits. You can see their statuses here on the control panel screen. When we click on the aux/I/O tab, you can see meter 1 and meter 2 at the bottom of the screen. By default, both are set to 0 to 5 volts DC. The meter 1 signal is set to RMS load voltage A, and the meter 2 signal is set to RMS load current A. You can choose up to 2 signals from the drop-down menus to retransmit. Let's look at a couple scenarios that use retransmit scaling. For our demonstration, let's change our output type to current and have meter 1 output power. And we'll use 4 to 20 milliamps as 0 to 100% of full-scale power. We can check the Zone 1 tab for information about our full-scale settings. Here we can see that full-scale power is equal to 9.6 kilowatts. Let's look at one more scenario. You might want to use a direct out test for troubleshooting or system startup. We'll change meter 2 signal to direct out. And let's also change the output type on meter 2 to 4 to 20 milliamps current. Now we can enter a milliamp value in meter 2's direct out field, and the controller will output at that value. For more detailed instructions, visit our website at www.ccipower.com or contact the experts at Controlled Concepts Incorporated.